So I messed up. The other day I uploaded a video swatching Zoya's new Leopard Spots effect topper, and immediately I got comments saying I did it wrong. So I quickly took it down, went back to the instructions that were sent to me, and I'm a complete dingus because I read the instructions totally wrong. I was told to use a light hand when applying it, and for some reason in my brain that translated to weird dry brush strokes. But even though I did apply it totally different than how it's supposed to be, I think you can achieve a different look with that method that I used. So in this video, I'll be swatching Leopard Spots over the pixie dust the right way, and I'll show you an alternative way for a different animalesque vibe. Leopard Spots is a new effect topper that will be released on October 8th with the holiday 2018 Jubilee collection by Zoya. It's essentially a thick, matte crackle polish. In my first video, I mentioned it had a textured quality to it, and I still stand by that. I'm not sure if there's microfibers in it or what, but I feel like there's an extra ingredient making it a little more textured than a normal crackle polish. It could just be the matte formula, and that's what's giving me that textured effect. This was designed to be applied over top of the pixie dust polishes by Zoya. The combination of the two creates a Leopard Spots effect, so I'll be applying one thin coat over each pixie dust, and here I sped it up so that you guys can see that crackle effect more obviously. For a different look, you can dry brush the polish on and it clings to the textured base in different spots. I think this gives a more sporadic print look. These next two pixie dust polishes, Juniper and Cookie, are a part of the new Jubilee collection, so I swatched them separately. So there are swatches done correctly of Leopard Spots by Zoya. What do you guys think? Is Crackleback? I think this looks really good over the lighter golds and oranges, and even pretty cool over the reds. However, it does get lost on the darker pixie dusts. And I want to thank you guys for keeping it real with me and letting me know I applied it wrong the first time. It's my goal to give you guys honest, fair reviews so you can decide for yourself if a product is worth it. So thank you for all your feedback, it's always appreciated. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more swatches or reviews, you can click on your screen here for the playlist.